The typewriter in the attic was ancient, its keys stained and stiff. At midnight, it began to clack on its own, echoing through the silent house. Sarah, drawn by the noise, watched as words formed. "I see you." Her breath caught. Another line. "You shouldn't have touched me." Goosebumps prickled her arms. The typewriter rattled violently, keys hammering a final message. "Look behind you." Frozen, Sarah turned. A cold breath grazed her neck. In the dim light, she glimpsed shadowy hands reaching for her. The typewriter fell silent, but Sarah's scream never did.